Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Got another little project for myself here. I want to fix up this little Serpentine stockman. It's got the clip point blade here with the long nail nick. Got a spay blade and a pin blade. Not in the best of shape, pretty rusty. Pretty rusty inside. I'm probably gonna have to take this thing apart, all the way apart, and repin it and everything, so hopefully I can find something to pin it with. Gonna take some work. The scales, I'm gonna try to salvage the scales. If not, I might take them off and just paint the metal underneath, kind of fill it out. Got my work cut out for me on this one. Better get started. Alright, so it's not here. Woo, man, some dirt in there. Nasty in there. Like that. Alright. Now to get started. Sounds a little easier. Alright. There we go. Whee, that. Nasty. Yeah, they're too brittle. I'm just gonna take them off here. They're really brittle, just like, I'd rather just paint them. Let's take these ones off here. Okay guys, I'm done with the tedious work here of sanding and dremeling these until they look halfway decent. Got the outer liner here, clip point, spring, middle liner, spring, the spay blade, the pin blade, and the other liner. They're all steel liners. There's no brass in here. I usually like a little brass to make it pop, but anyways, we got these. I'm gonna probably paint them, and I got my pin, so hopefully this works, and I'm gonna keep continuing forward. Okay, I got the pins in and started to work on the blades a little bit. There's a lot of deep pitting in there and patina. Got deep pitting up on top there. deep pitting all across there. I gotta work on sharpening these blades up. I worked on them a little bit. They're getting there, not quite sharp enough yet. Then I gotta paint the scales, and then we should be in business. Okay, I got the shells cleaned up, the shell scales, and they're ready to paint. Just gotta tape them up and decide which color I'm gonna use. Okay guys, I decided to go with the gold. It was either this or red, and I don't know, I just wanted to try gold and see how it looked. Let's take this tape off. I had to use some duct tape. I didn't have any of the painter's tape. Okay guys, I'm all done with the pocket knife. Quite a bit of work on that one to get to here. It's still pretty pitted up and banged up, but it's got a new look. You can see the tang stampings on it now. Give it a little sharpness test. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.